Hello friends, welcome to free chess videos for all. So let's see few of the traps that I prepared for you guys. So the first trap that I'm gonna show you is called Noah's Ark trap. So it starts with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5. So this is called the Spanish game. Now a6, bishop a4, now d6. So white plays d4, now b5, bishop b3, knight takes d4, knight takes d4, e takes d4, queen takes d4. So this is the start of the trap. So c5, so queen d5, now bishop e6, queen c6, bishop d7, queen d5, and now c4. So this white bishop is trapped. So black would have a piece up at the very beginning. So eventually black is going to win. So let's see the next trap that I prepared for you. It's called the Lasker trap. So it starts with d4, d5, c4, queen's pawn opening. So e5, d takes e5, now d4, now e3. e3 is not a good move here. Bishop b4, bishop d2, d takes e3, now bishop takes b4, now e takes f2, check. So if king takes f2, then queen takes d1. So king e2, check, and you promote a knight here. So it would be again check. So if rook takes g1, then bishop comes to g4, right? So again king e1, yeah. So queen h4, check. So if g3, then this queen comes to e4 and take this rook, right? Yes. So king d2. So knight c6 attacking this bishop. Bishop comes to c3. Now bishop g4 attacking the queen. So bishop e2. Now long castle. So eventually black is going to win. So let's see the next trap. So it's called Cambridge Springs trap. So it's a quite popular trap. d4, d5, c4, e6. Now knight c3, knight f6. So this position we can come up with some other move order also, but you have to remember this position. So now bishop g5, knight bd7. So here you can think that okay, c takes d5, e takes d5, and now this knight is pinned, so I can easily take this pawn, right? But it's a very bad move because knight takes knight, bishop takes queen. Now bishop b4 check. So you have to save it with your queen. Queen d2, bishop takes queen, king takes bishop. Now king takes bishop. So black is having a piece up. Okay. So black is going to win eventually. Okay. Now let's go to the next trap. So it is called the legal trap. Okay. So e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, c6. Now bishop c4, d6, knight c3. Now bishop g4 to pin this knight. So h3. Now bishop h5. So basically bishop h5 is not a very good move. You can take the f3 knight. So okay, so knight takes e5. So yes, now you have a free queen, so take it. Bishop takes d1, but it's a mistake because now bishop takes f7. So only move is king e7, and now knight d5, check. So king can't go here, king can't go here, king can't go here, and not possible here also, so it's a checkmate. So now let's see the next trap that I prepared for you. It's called the Rubinstein trap. So d4, d5, knight f3, knight f6. So these are very common moves. c4, e6, bishop g5, knight bd7, e3, bishop e7, now knight c3, and castle. So you can come up to this position with different move orders also, but you have to remember this position. Now the move is rook c1. Okay, rook e8, queen c2, now a6. So when a6 is played, the main target is to take this pawn, and like bishop takes c4, then push the b5 pawn. So it's better you take this pawn early. So e takes d5, now bishop d3, now c6, centralizing this pawn and more solid now at the center. So now castle from white, knight e4, bishop f4, now f5, like putting more protection for this knight, but it's basically a mistake because knight takes d5, and if you take c takes d5, then your queen would be trapped. So this is called the Rubinstein trap. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all of these traps. So later on I'll prepare some more videos for new traps and I'll share. So before I go, just wanted to remind you that please like and share the videos, and please subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I upload a new video. So till then, all the best and see ya.